Welcome to this program today. I am doing a series on circle theorems and their application in solving problems in mathematics. If you carefully go through all of them, you will not find any circle problem difficult to solve from today, okay? For you to cheaply deal with angle problems in circles, you must be very familiar with 1. Lines and their functions in mathematics. 2. Shapes and their properties in mathematics. 3. You must be familiar with theorems of triangles. Then you must be familiar with all the theorems about the circle. Now look at this circle on the screen. It has 4 sides, and so it has 4 angles at the 4 vertices. I want to tell you some things about them, okay? The first thing I want to tell you about this shape is that inside this circle, you have a quadrilateral. But because the 4 vertices are touching the circumference, we call it a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay? The next thing I want to tell you about this shape is the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. The theorem states that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. That is to say, the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Okay? So, in this shape, D is supplementary to C and B is supplementary to A. Look at this diagram on the screen. Angle P is 50 degrees and is opposite to angle R. Now, from the first theorem you learned, you know that angle R is supplementary to angle 50 degrees. Therefore, angle R is 130 degrees. But can you see angle X? Angle X is said to be an exterior angle opposite to the interior angle P. Look at it very well. Okay? So, this leads us to the next theorem, which says the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. Don't forget. Okay? The last thing I want to say here about the cyclic quadrilateral is ability to identify the shape in a given question. Look at this shape on the screen. Can you see a cyclic quadrilateral? Look at it very well. PRST is a cyclic quadrilateral. Look at it again. So you can identify the angles that are opposite to each other. Okay? Now, till we meet again, have a wonderful time. Bye. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay? Thank you.